Did you know that there is a food that is considered a real nutritional treasure? A simple, accessible food that for many decades has been the subject of debate and myths, but which today is widely recognized as one of our health's greatest allies. In this video, we're going to reveal what this food is and show you how it can transform your diet and your life. But before that, I want you to think about one essential point. Nowadays, the rush of everyday life pushes us towards quick and easy solutions when it comes to food. Ready meals, fast food, and ultra-processed foods are increasingly present on family tables. They promise convenience, but deliver risks, high levels of saturated fats, empty calories, preservatives, and a list of ingredients that we often can't even pronounce. These habits, which are so common, have a direct impact on our health. Weight gain, tiredness, cardiovascular problems, and, of course, the feeling that we lack the energy to face everyday life. Perhaps you've already felt this way. Tired, not in the mood for activities that used to be simple. Or maybe you've noticed that it's harder to keep up with your health with the food options available. And it doesn't matter how old you are, 35, 45, 55, or more, taking care of what you put on your plate is essential at every stage of life. And this is exactly where the protagonist of this video comes in. An incredible food capable of providing essential nutrients, helping to control weight, improving brain, muscle, and skin health, and being incredibly versatile. But by the end of this video, I want you to understand the true potential of this food and why it should be in your diet every day. So stick with me until the end of this video. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into scientific facts, detailed explanations, and practical tips that could change the way you view and consume this food. Believe me, you won't want to miss this valuable information. Shall we go together? Now that you understand the importance of choosing well what we put on our plates, I want you to imagine a food that is almost perfect from a nutritional point of view. It is a complete source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids that the human body needs to build and repair tissue. It is also rich in fundamental vitamins, such as vitamin B12, which is crucial for the nervous system, and vitamin D, which is essential for healthy bones and the immune system. But it doesn't stop there. This food is also a powerful ally in the search for more energy and disposition. Thanks to its unique combination of nutrients, it helps keep the mind sharp, reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems, and contributes to weight control as it promotes satiety, preventing overeating at subsequent meals. And best of all, it's extremely affordable, both in terms of price and availability. You can find it anywhere, and its versatility allows it to be used in a multitude of recipes, from the simplest to the most elaborate. With it, you can create healthy and delicious meals in a matter of minutes. So if you want to improve your health, have more energy, and take care of your body from the inside out, keep watching. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal what this food is and how it can be the key to a healthier, more balanced life. Now that you've reflected on the challenges of modern eating and the negative impacts that wrong choices can have on your health, it's time to talk about a powerful, simple, and affordable solution. There's a food that, despite its humble appearance, has a host of benefits that can completely transform your life. But before we reveal its name, let's explore what it can do for you. This food is a true gem of nature, widely recognized for its revitalizing and protective properties. It can help strengthen the immune system, which is essential for warding off illness and ensuring a long and healthy life. In addition, it is a natural ally in maintaining a balanced metabolism, promoting lasting energy throughout the day. By including this food in your diet, you can notice significant improvements in the quality of your skin, your hair, and even your mental disposition. Studies indicate that its bioactive compounds are able to reduce inflammation, eliminate toxins from the body, and even help with weight control safely and efficiently. The best part? This food is incredibly versatile. It can be used in a variety of preparations, adapting to your preferences and lifestyle. Imagine an element so powerful and easy to incorporate into your routine that it could, in fact, be a game changer in your quest for a healthier life. Do you want to know what this food is and how it can revolutionize your health? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll discover everything you need to know about it and how to use it to maximize the results in your daily life. Few foods have such a rich history and wide-ranging benefits as the lemon. This acidic and vibrant fruit dates back to antiquity, being first cultivated over 1,000 years ago in Southeast Asia before spreading to the Middle East and Europe. Its use was widely spread by explorers and sailors who discovered, in a practical way, how effective it was in preventing scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency. Lemon is a true source of health, full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help the body function optimally. Its main components include vitamin C, essential for strengthening the immune system, helping the body fight infections, and promoting healthy skin due to its role in collagen production. B-complex vitamins, such as B6, which helps with energy metabolism, and thiamine B1, which is important for the nervous and cardiovascular systems. Flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting cells against premature aging. Minerals such as potassium and magnesium, fundamental for heart health and for maintaining the body's electrolyte balance. Main health benefits of lemon. Strengthens the immune system. The high concentration of vitamin C helps increase the body's defenses, protecting against colds, flu, and other infectious diseases. Natural detoxification. Lemon helps the liver to eliminate toxins, promoting a natural cleansing of the body. This can lead to a feeling of lightness and more energy throughout the day. Improved digestion. Its properties stimulate the production of bile, facilitating the digestion of fats. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach can help relieve problems such as bloating and heartburn. Weight control. Rich in soluble fibers such as pectin, lemon helps promote satiety, contributing to appetite and body weight control. Cardiovascular health. The potassium in lemon helps regulate blood pressure, while its antioxidants help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Youthful, radiant skin. Thanks to vitamin C and antioxidants, regular lemon consumption promotes clearer, firmer skin that is protected against UV damage. Reduces inflammation. The flavonoids present in lemon have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to relieve joint pain and prevent chronic diseases. Lemon is a simple but powerful gem that can be incorporated into your diet in various ways. Whether squeezed into water, as a salad dressing, or even in teas and desserts, its benefits are guaranteed. And the best part, it's affordable, easy to find, and extremely versatile. Before we go any further, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Also, at the end of this video, I recommend that you explore other content available on the channel, especially about magical foods that can promote significant health improvements. I have a playlist dedicated to this topic, which I'm sure will be of great interest. Take the opportunity to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Now, let's show you in practice how lemon can effectively transform your health. Lemon is a superfood, full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that are essential for the proper functioning of the body. By including lemon in your diet on a regular basis, you can expect a number of incredible benefits. For example, if you start the day with a glass of warm water with lemon juice, you'll be providing your body with a hydration benefit and helping to balance the body's pH, promoting natural detoxification. In addition, lemon is excellent for strengthening the immune system, preventing colds and flu. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in digestion thanks to the lemon, which stimulates the production of bile and facilitates the digestive process. If you adopt this habit daily, you can also expect healthier skin with less acne and more radiance. Lemon helps to purify the blood and eliminate toxins, promoting a younger, more youthful appearance. And of course, over a period of months, regular lemon consumption can improve liver health, speed up metabolism, and even help with weight loss due to its thermogenic effect. So including lemon in your diet is not just an option, it's a smart choice for a healthier, more balanced life. Let's see how you can apply it simply and efficiently in your daily life. Imagine how your life could change by incorporating lemon into your daily routine in a simple and practical way. Waking up every morning and starting the day with a glass of warm water with lemon, you feel your energy being renewed, your skin becoming more radiant, and a light and efficient digestion accompanying every moment. The days become calmer, your body stronger, and your mind clearer. As the weeks go by, the feeling of well-being grows, and you start to see the results. More energy, more health, more quality of life. This is just the beginning of a path towards a healthier version of yourself. And the good news is that here on this channel, I have countless videos about magical foods like lemon, which have the power to radically transform your health. When you finish this video, be sure to explore my exclusive playlist, where you'll find a collection of content that will go even deeper into this knowledge and help you achieve incredible results. Enjoy and continue your health journey with us.